This is not good. This is not good. I might be trapped here. I need to come up with a solution tomorrow. In this video I will take you across the ocean to camp on an island in my brand new tent, making delicious food, ice fishing and surviving through a blizzard in a cozy hot tent. Enjoy! I will take you to that island there. It's approximately 4 kilometers. Can't let the nice weather fool you because it is supposed to turn into a blizzard this evening. So I have to get on that island before that and set up the tent. It is just super easy to pull the sled here. It's almost clear ice, but there is this thin layer of snow on top of it. So it's easy to walk on, it's not slippery, but the sled just runs so smoothly on top of the ice. It's super easy to walk here. It's currently only -5. The trees are blocking all the wind. I actually think that my tent probably will stay up this night. I have been here once before. It was maybe 2 years ago, and it's a really cozy place. There is literally no wind here. Only a small breeze, if even that. It's crazy. Kropsu. Ooh. Yeah, I think I might come here to cook at least one meal on this trip. I have some sausages and last time it didn't go that well, so I might come grill them here. But first I need to find a good place to set up the camp. And a little tip for everyone out there. If you are camping in general and you know it's going to be windy, be aware of trees, especially in winter. You have to set your camp close to either very sturdy trees or far enough that a tree cannot fall on top of your tent. Ooh. I want to go up there. Oh, nice. I just carried like 10 or 15 kilograms of firewood with me because I wasn't sure if there's gonna be firewood here. There's even a toilet. This will make things a bit easier. Yeah, I was searching for a while but couldn't find a safe spot. I'm just going to put the tent next to that outside fireplace. Yeah, right here. Today we are going to try out a brand new hot tent. It's Lux Outdoors Megahorn 3. This is my first time pitching it. They even gave the guides on how to set up the tent, but I won't be needing those. This time I bought these really sturdy metal pegs. These pegs are the worst. A few hits and I already bent the first one. The ground is just so hard in winter that these pegs don't hold. I can even stand here. Not that well because I'm really tall, but there is a possibility for me to stand here and even change some clothes while standing. I have a little chair here, my table over here, and bed right there. Oh my god, there is so much space for one person in this tent. I'm real hungry. I'm gonna go make some food. This here is just super easy camping food and I'm really hungry. It's already 2 o'clock. I ate breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning. This is actually surprisingly good. It's like pudding. That there was just really good. Now I have the energy to go ice fishing until dinner. Okay, I took everything I need for ice fishing with me and left everything else back at camp. Okay, I think I'll go around. See the snowstorm approaching me. I want to stay close to the island because if I go there to this blizzard, I will most definitely get lost. Go outside, they said. They said. This is just so bad. The weather has turned into this really harsh icy rain. It is hurting my face. Oh. I've been here like 4 hours. It's time to head back to the tent. I can't see almost anything here. This side is surrounded with water. No, there's way too much water on the ice. And that just continues that way. Okay, I need to get back where I came from and go try from there. Whew. Okay, I'm safe now, but I need to go through those rocks. That is quite the wind. It just feels so nice to be away from that wind. Now all my clothes are getting wet because it's plus degrees inside here. I need to get the stove going and put my clothes to dry. Oh, it's filled with ice. Look. I learned this trick in the military. You should always have some wire around your pencil. Using this wire I can make hooks to which I can attach my clothes to. Now I just need to put the stove on and those will dry up there real nicely. This is way better. Now I have a lot of leg room here. I totally forgot that I have this with me. This here is a lightweight hook that I can put here on the bar. Just like that. Oh, this is just so nice. I checked the forecast again and it's going to be real windy. It is supposed to be like 14 to 17 meters per second wind. Thankfully the wind direction is from southwest and I'm on northeast side of the island, so the trees will protect me a lot. Put these here on the stove to melt. Some hot chocolate. The blizzard turned into rain. It's currently just raining outside, not snowing. Snow would be much nicer. This is so large tent. I have my little table here. I can have my morning coffee or hot chocolate like right now, and also have my phone at night. And there's the bed. There's still so much space around here and in the back. I can already tell you that I'm really happy I bought this tent. I need to turn around because my this side is really warm, but this side is still wet and cold. I'm going to fry these potatoes on a pan with loads of butter, garlic and onions. With the potatoes I'm having a deer steak and I have some red wine sauce I made yesterday, so I'm going to eat really well today. It's almost like sauna. It's plus 35 here. Just the smell of garlic in this tent. Oh god, that's really good. That is looking so good. Oh, I'm having a romantic dinner here by myself. It smells so good in here. I'm getting really hungry. I'm going to put the red wine sauce into the hot water so that it gets warm. Now would you look at that? This is what I call camping food. Cheers! Perfectly cooked. Oh yeah, it is just so soft. So good and tender. The last piece. It was so good. Finished it all. I don't know if you can hear it on the mic, but the wind is so crazy all the time. I was thinking earlier this year that I would love to have a hot tent so that I could hike and do this kind of trips even in the winter. And here I am. Dreams do come true. Time to do some dishes. Even though it's really windy outside and it's really nice and warm in this hot tent, I kind of want to go explore the island a bit. I want to go see how bad the wind is on the other end of the island. I think that's a fox because they go in such a straight line. I can't get to the other coast because there is water here. Oh! crazy windy here. This is some serious wind. Thankfully I don't have the tent over here. The coast is just filled with water. I hope the side where I came from is not on water. I really want to get out of here tomorrow. Okay. As you can see, there is a lot of water surrounding the island. I have no idea how I'm going to get away from the island if I cannot walk away from here tomorrow. Oh, I need to go and find a place where I can cross the water. I might be trapped here. I need to come up with a solution tomorrow. I couldn't find a place to go over the water. Oh. The ice is like totally melted from the coast. This is not good. This is not good. I have extra food for probably one more day here. But I don't know if that makes any difference, because if it's not below zero, this won't freeze. It will be there even after a day. Alright, there is my tent. And that is where I came from. Oh God. I mean, the ice on the ocean will hold my weight. There was like 40 centimeters of ice. That doesn't melt overnight. But the issue is how I get all of my gear and myself over that 20 meters or so of water. I have no idea. Oh, wait! I might have an escape route. This right here might be my route to freedom. From the end there, I might be able to get on the ice. Also, that there is quite short distance. I could probably almost jump over it. I can barely stand in this wind. I can lean onto the wind. I am not sure whether I will get out of here tomorrow. Thankfully I have food for maybe extra one day or two if I ration my proportions, but hopefully I'll get home safely tomorrow. The moon is super bright. I don't even need a headlamp here because it's so bright outside. It's currently 0, maybe +1. I'm going to sleep. Thankfully I brought earplugs because it sounds like I'm next to a highway. It's really loud, the wind is really loud. Hopefully a tree won't fall on top of me, and tomorrow I have to figure out the way how to get out of here. But see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning. I actually slept pretty well. I'll put the fire going and wait for the tent to warm up. By the way, just woke up and saw that I have 600 subscribers. Thank you a lot for that. It's just crazy. I didn't have any clue that the channel would grow this fast. That just tells me that I need to keep going and continue making these videos. Apparently you people are enjoying it. For breakfast I'm going to make an oatmeal. This time I have some blueberries and strawberry jam with it. Also yogurt, muesli and some dessert. I'm going to eat so well this morning. I just love having a great breakfast. Breakfast is like the one meal of the day that I can never skip. Oatmeal. That is looking just so good. Come on, check out that breakfast. Oh, that's super good. I bought these only because they were on sale. It was €1 for a package of blueberries, so that was a good deal. That's done. And now I got some dessert. I made Kinder Pie last week. Everything is just better outdoors. I think it's time to start packing and figure out a way to get out of the island. Let's go check the situation on the ocean. There is still a lot of water there, and I can see further away that there is a lot of water on top of the ice. I think from the harbor there I might be able to get on ice. Before going off with the sled, I'm actually going to search for a spot where I will cross over. This is a nice place. Unfortunately, I don't own a boat. It would be super nice to come here in the summer. All those rocks were covered with snow yesterday. I think I might go from there or from here. Let's check this out. Okay, there is... oh, not gonna come here. I have a bad feeling that when I step on that, my feet will go through the ice. There's only one way to find out. Oh, there's so much snow. Yeah, I might have a route to freedom. Woo! Let's go. Oh no! Oh, it flipped again. Oh, not a... I'm not going to attach the sled to my belt yet, because if I sink through this ice, I don't want to be attached to the sled. Whew. I made it. But like I said, I know it looks scary and it definitely feels scary, but this is mostly just slippery. There is still the 40 centimeters of ice underneath there. Bye bye island. I'm in cover from most of the wind, so I think I'm going to try some ice fishing. The weather is just so nice. I'm just going to get myself energized and walk across the ocean back to my car. I must admit that I was pretty scared that will I get out of the island today. I truly thought that I might be stuck there, but thankfully I got out there safely. Thank you for watching and see you in our next adventure.